Hello, good morning, and welcome to today's video. So today, as you can see, we're going to look at animals. Different words for animals in English. And you can see all the animals we have here. I'll show you the pictures. So we're going to start with these animals. And we have the words on the right. Pictures on the left. Words on the right. So we're going to try and put the pictures with the words. For example, what's this first word here? Bull. Bull. Can you find a bull here? Where's the bull? Yes, exactly. It's this one. So we move the bull over here. Next one, what's this word? Mouse. This is a mouse. So can we find the mouse here? One of these four. Yes, exactly. This is the mouse. Let's put the mouse here. Make it smaller. Remember, we have one mouse. One mouse. And two mice. So it's an irregular plural. We don't say mouses, we say mice. One mouse, two mice, three mice, four mice, etc. Okay, let's look at, we'll come back to this one in a second. Let's do this first. What's this word? Can we say it? Whale. It's a whale. So can we find the whale here? One of these five. Where's the whale? This is the whale, exactly. I'll move the whale over here. So it's a whale. Next one, let's look at this one here. The word is rabbit. Can we find a rabbit in the pictures? So here, 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 or here. Where is the rabbit? And exactly, this is the rabbit here. So we're nearly finished. Next word is pig. I think everyone knows what a pig is. This is a pig here. Move the pig down here. Exactly. Dog is easy. We put the dog there. Cat, again, an easy one. Let's move the cat here beside the word. Fish. Let's move it down here. Taking a bit of time. Fish. Here we go. Fish. And what's this last thing? This, of course, is a horse. This is a horse. So let's look at the different animals. This is a bull. The bull has horns on his head. This is a mouse. We have one mouse, two mice. This is a horse. This is a whale. A rabbit. A pig. A dog. A cat. A fish. Okay, so we know the animals. So let's look at some true or false questions. And it's all about animals. So let's look at number 1. A horse is bigger than a mouse. Is that true or false? Well, we can see a horse and a mouse. A horse is bigger than a mouse, of course. That's true. Let's look at number 2. A whale is smaller than a fish. A whale is smaller than a fish? No, of course not. That's false. False, I read. A horse, that's we do number 3. A horse is faster than a rabbit. So we have a horse and a rabbit, which is faster. A horse is faster than a rabbit? That's true, isn't it? Number 4. A dog is slower than a pig. So fast and slow, remember they're opposites. A dog is slower than a pig. No, I think a pig is slower, isn't it? So that's false. A bull is quieter than a mouse. Quieter than a mouse. Mouse is quite quiet. Mouse is very quiet, so a bull can be noisy. So that's false. A bull is not quieter than a mouse. And a dog is noisier than a rabbit. Is that true or false? What do you think? I think that's true. A dog can be noisy. So a dog is noisier than a rabbit. So what we're doing here, we're taking two things and we are comparing. We're comparing two things. Bigger, smaller, faster, slower, etc. And to compare things, we often use ER on the adjective. Big, bigger. So let's do some other comparatives. Small, smaller. Fast. What's the comparative? Faster, exactly. Let's continue. Slow, slower. Good, it's the same thing all the time. We just add the ER. Noisy, noisier. This one, we have a change. The Y changes to IER. So we take out the Y. And that changes to IER, you can see here. So that happens when we have a Y. Quiet. Quieter. Again, we just add the ER. So we can compare all kinds of things. We can compare cities. So let's compare Dublin and Sligo. Dublin and Sligo are very different. We're going to use these words to compare. Quieter, bigger, faster, smaller, noisier, slower, and busier. Let's use busier as well. So let's see, quieter. Which is quieter? Sligo is quieter, isn't it? Which is faster? Dublin is faster. Definitely faster than Sligo. Noisier. Which is noisier? Dublin or Sligo? Dublin is noisier. It's a big city, it's much noisier. Bigger. Dublin is bigger as well, isn't it? Quieter we've done. Which is smaller, Dublin or Sligo? Well, I think it's clear Sligo is smaller. Sligo is much smaller than Dublin. Which is slower? Slower, Dublin or Sligo? Sligo is slower, isn't it? And busier. Which is busier? I think we know Dublin is busier. More people, it's bigger. So let's see if we can make a sentence from this. Dublin is bigger than Sligo. Dublin is faster than Sligo. Let's make a sentence starting with Sligo. Sligo is, let's use one of these words here. Whichever one you want. Let's use smaller. Smaller than Dublin. Please don't forget we need the than. Than is important. Faster than, slower than, etc. Let's do one more with Sligo. Sligo is smaller than Dublin. Sligo is quieter than Dublin. Quieter than. So remember, when we're comparing two things, we need than. Than is important. Quieter than. Okay, so for practice, you're going to compare a whale and a mouse. Use bigger, smaller, quieter, faster, noisier, slower. We have these 6 words. How do we compare a whale and a mouse? I'll give you some answers in the next video. And before we finish, can you remember the names of these animals? What are these animals? How do you say it in English? What's this? How do you spell it? W-H-A-L-E. Yes, indeed. What's this? And how do you spell it? It's a mouse. Sorry, so this is a whale. Sorry, whale. W-H-A-L-E. A mouse. M-O-U-S-E. A horse. How do you spell it? H-O-R-S-E. Is it? What's this thing? A bull. And the last one, what is it? A rabbit, or a B-B-I-T. Okay, thank you for watching today. Please practice the animals and practice comparing. So, again, for practice, please compare a whale and a mouse. Use these 6 words. And in the next video, I'll give you some answers. Thank you for watching.